It's gonna look badass, hon. Yeah, I heard it. I hope she can do something. Your hair looks good. Your hair looks good.
No, it doesn't. It's got all this fucked up shit right here. It's like shit. The lady fucked it up.
I thought you got it fixed.
Like sometimes, like in some spots, it looks good, and then like other spots.
It looks great in the back. It feels good in the back.
Yeah, the guy that did it, that refixed it, he was really good. Oh, my hair! What am I gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
What am I gonna do?
There's nothing
with my
you can
hair?
do.
I just can't do anything about it except cry about it and complain all day.
Complain all day.
I just want to complain all day
Edith,
long,
that's
all the
you
time. That's all I care about.
Complain. I know.
Can't I just? I
you
complain.
hear.
My profession is basically complaining and explaining it to people. You know what I'm saying?
And I
That's
gotta
what I
say,
do for a living.
We've been married for 53
We've been
years.
married for 53 years, definitely.
I'm used to it by now. You know, I can sit around. Our grandkids come over. They like to yank my whatever's left of my hair out. Now when I'm asleep, they put shaving cream on my hand.
They do? I
Yeah.
forgot about
Those
that one.
kids, they like to tickle my nose and up. You know, that old dad.
You better.
Look, Edith, your hair looks marvelous. I don't care what you say. Your hair.
Could be better.
Look at me, on the other hand. Look at the horsehair wig that Murray made for me. Look at this thing.